Hello everyone. So this is Mohammad Abdulaziz and from Bangladesh. So me on estimate as Aziz BD, and you know that I am working with this project, farming project, where we established with the cooperation with my friend who is living in the USA. So you know that we invested some of the estimate fund here, and we are raising the chicken, and now we are at the end of this period, and we are already around 6 batch is completed. So it is the last batch for this month and this year. So the chicken is already ready for sale, and they are going in the market already, and I'm going to pick one of the chicken so I can show you the measurement and how they are actually how much they big are now. So what can I do? I can take one. Which one I should choice? You can see here is many of them. Okay, I'm taking this one or this one. This one maybe will be bigger. Okay, wait. Okay, so here it is, and I'm going to measure it there. So yes, wait, okay, yes, you can see here it is 0. So when I wait, it is 2.09. so it is 2 kilogram, it means 2 kg. So you know that it's around 1 month. So I'm leaving it and switching off the weight machine. Okay, so around 1 month they are with us, and they will go to the market soon, and I will also update you that how much we made the profit. And have a nice day, and pray for me especially.